Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm sharing with you a special breakfast I came up with on the fly, and I've dubbed it Asian Sunrise Lima Bean Spread, an East meets West breakfast. I'm really excited to get started on this recipe. This just came out of the blue because I intended to make a Greek dish, gigantes plaki. However, they did not have the gigantes beans anywhere, and the lima beans in the store were a little bit on the small side. So I came up with this instead. Stay tuned next week for the Greek recipe. I'm really excited to get started and of course, indulge and enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, I'm slicing up some yellow onion. I'll get about a quarter cup's worth. And I'm going to thinly slice our baby carrots here. I'm going to marinate about a half a cup's worth. Here in this little dish, I'm adding a quarter cup's worth of mirin on top of our baby carrots and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Allow this to sit and marinate for at least a half an hour. I'm slicing up some baby cucumbers. And I got some tempeh here. I'm just going to coat it with a little bit of liquid smoke. I'm adding some oil to a hot pan and I'm going to fry up our tempeh and our sliced onions. Remember to flip everything. I'm slicing our baguette on an angle and I'm going to toast these pieces up. I rinsed and drained our canned lima beans and now I'm adding them to the blender. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of our black garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of our Chinese 5-spice blend. If you don't have a Vitamix, you will need to add water. Regardless, you may want to add a touch of water. Try to add it gradually. Stir it up and then continue blending. Remember to taste test it and adjust the seasoning to your liking. We're adding in our fried up onions. Now everything's blended up. Give it a final taste test and adjust the seasoning. Black garlic, which is used in this recipe, may sound a bit unusual for those who are not familiar, but is quite simply fermented garlic. This provides a unique, savory, umami, sweet flavor, unlike anything else. I highly recommend it, but if you're in a pinch, you can just use garlic powder. The toasted sesame oil provides a nice nutty flavor, and traditionally, the Chinese believe that sesame seeds and oil are lucky, provide abundance and longevity. They also believe that sesame seeds and sesame oil is a yin tonic, and it has a cooling effect and balancing effect on the body. They especially consider it good for the kidneys. The Chinese 5-spice blend provides a beautiful balance of sweet, sour, bitter, pungent, and salty notes, a very common element in Chinese cuisine, which also links to the 5 elements found in traditional Chinese philosophy, which are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. I'm slicing up some parsley here. Feel free to use a herb of your choice. Now it's plating time. I'm coating our fried up tempeh with an Asian barbecue sauce. Spread on your Asian Sunrise Lima Bean Spread on your toasted baguette. Lima beans are thought to have originated in Peru, the capital city, Lima. So you may wonder why there's a difference in pronunciation. It's for the simple fact for when the Anglophones arrived and discovered lima beans, they just adjusted the pronunciation to suit them. Well, the pronunciation of the capital city, Lima, evolved with the Anglophones. The pronunciation of the beans did not, so it remains lima beans as the common name. They are also referred to as butter beans and Madagascar beans in some parts. Add your tempeh pieces and your marinated carrots, and then your cucumber slices. Sprinkle on some black sesame seeds if you wish. And I'm sprinkling on our parsley. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our Asian Sunrise Lima Bean Spread. An East meets West breakfast. I'm really enjoying the Chinese 5-spice blend in combination with the saltiness. We got a little bit of sweetness going on. Our beautiful nutty tempeh in the mix. Gotta love the little crunch with the carrot and the cucumber. If you don't have black garlic powder, feel free to use regular garlic powder. You may also like to use just regular garlic or roast the garlic and blend it up as well. Of course, baguettes came from France, and there's been some influence on Vietnamese cuisine in that regard with their Vietnamese sandwiches that you might be familiar with. Baguettes are enjoyed for breakfast commonly in North America. Of course, lunch and dinner as well, but I didn't know what to expect with this recipe that I came up with on the fly, but I'm completely satisfied with the results. And of course, you can adjust the seasoning to your liking, to your personal preference. Feel free to drop me a line down below if you end up trying this recipe. I'm really interested to hear from you. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed, it is a free and easy way to support my channel. and I truly appreciate it. If you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, remember, and hit that bell notification icon so you stay posted whenever a new video pops up. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!